Have you ever opened your ArchiCAD drawing and thought, this looks too plain? Maybe all your walls, slabs, or furniture have the same color or line width, and it's hard to tell what's what. That's where something called graphic override comes in. What is graphic override? Graphic override is like a magic filter that changes how your drawing looks without changing the actual design. Think of it like Instagram filters. When you apply a filter, your photo looks different, but the photo itself doesn't what? Change. That's exactly what graphic override does in ArchiCAD. It changes the appearance, that is, the color, line type, feel, or style of elements based on certain rules that you have to set, but the elements themselves remain the same. I made a previous video teaching you how to use graphic override step by step. I crave your indulgence to go and watch it to understand what I'm teaching you here. Why is graphic override used? Graphic override is used by designers to 1. Highlight specific elements like walls, beams, columns, objects, name it. 2. Differentiate new and existing structures in renovation projects. 3. Create clean presentation drawing with custom color themes. 4. Control how drawings look for client versus working drawings. So why should you, as a designer, a beginner or professional, use graphic override? Because 1, it saves time. 2, it keeps drawings consistent. 3, and it makes your work look professional. Instead of manually recoloring or changing fields, you just create a rule once and ArchiCAD applies it across the whole project. So when you make a change, boom, everything updates automatically with the right style. Thank you for staying through this video. I crave your indulgence to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos. Thank you.